Hi scientists, we have been learning about the force of gravity. The purpose of the video today is for us to draw a model in our science journals. If you don't have your science journal, please press pause, go get that, and make sure you have a pen or a pencil. If you don't have a science journal, it's okay to use a piece of paper. You could even use paper that you've been using in our other models that we've done. Okay, so in your science journal, we'll go ahead and go to the next blank page. Okay, and I'd like for you to go ahead and let's write the word gravity. We're going to say the force that pulls objects toward the center of the earth. At any time that you need to pause the video to make sure that you get everything written, please do that. So as scientists, we use models to explain the science. And so the science, what we have here is that it's a force and it's pulling objects toward the center of the earth. So in our model, we need Earth. So would you please go ahead and draw, and we'll label Earth. And then in the crash course videos that we've been watching, the way that they show gravity is they use arrows. Now, most of the time, you probably would say that gravity makes objects fall down, and you're absolutely right. However, we have to remember that the Earth is a sphere. So even just like she talked about in the crash course video, even the penguin here in Antarctica, it's not going to fall down. It's not falling off of the Earth and just into nothing. That penguin is also getting pulled toward the center. Okay, so yes, we do say that when we drop something, it falls to the ground because of gravity, but it's falling to the ground because Earth is pulling it toward the center. Okay, so what I also want you to do is we're going to draw another Earth. And this time you can choose, like if you wanted to do dogs or penguins or spiders. I'm just going to do a stick person. But so when someone is standing on Earth, they are actually getting pulled toward the center as well. So I want to make sure that you realize that even in this part of the world, let's see if I can do this upside down, that gravity is pulling toward Earth's center. All right, please make sure you have this information in your notebook.